Welcome. Chapter 1. Personal Information. Meeting People.
Vocabulary Preview. 1. Alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. 2. Numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Words 3, 4, and 5. 3. Name. 4. Address. 5. Telephone number. Phone number.
To be verbs. Am. Example. I am from Mexico City. I'm from Mexico City. Is. Examples. What is your name? What's your name? My name is Maria. Are. Example. Where are you from? Listen to the rule. The verb to be in the present tense is commonly contracted with subject pronouns and the question word what. Examples. I am. I'm from Mexico City. I am. Contracted form I am. What is? What's your name? What is? Contracted form what's.
What's your name? Listen.
What's your name?
My name is Maria.
What's your address?
My address is 235 Main Street.
What's your phone number?
My phone number is 741-8906.
Where are you from?
I'm from Mexico City.
In spoken English, the number 0 is often pronounced as fo instead of 0, especially when reading phone numbers.
Now it's your turn to speak. You'll have 5 seconds for each question. Number 1. What's your name? Number 2. What's your address? Number 3. What's your phone number? Number 4. Where are you from?
How to say it. Meeting people. Listen.
Hello, my name is Peter Lewis.
Hi,
I'm Nancy Lee. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, too.
What's your name? Listen.
My name is David Carter. I'm American. I'm from San Francisco.
My name is Mrs. Grant. My phone number is 549-2376.
My name is Ms. Martinez. My telephone number is 213-694-5555. My fax number is 213-694-5557.
My name is Peter Black. My address is 378 Main Street, Waterville, Florida. My license number is 921-DCG.
My name is Susan Miller. My apartment number is 4B.
My name is Mr. Santini. My email address is teacherjoe@worldnet.com.
Language note. Email addresses are said in a specific way. The first portion of the address is said as one word, even when it includes 2 or 3 words. Sometimes people will clarify when giving the address. The symbol is pronounced as @ and the period is pronounced dot. Thus, the email address is pronounced teacherjoe@worldnet.com.
My name is William Chen. My address is 294 River Street, Brooklyn, New York. My telephone number is 469-7750. My social security number is 044359862.
Culture note. Social Security number. Anyone who earns money in the United States must report his or her earnings to the federal government. Individuals are given Social Security numbers. Social Security taxes are used to support a national program of life insurance and old age pensions. Look at the 2 lists. Match each word on the left with the correct information on the right. Write the letter of your answer on the line. Let's begin.
Number 1. Name. Answer. D. William Chen. Number 2. Address. Answer. E. 378 Main Street. Number 3. Phone number. Answer. A. 549-2376. Number 4. Apartment number. Answer. B. 4B. Number 5. Social Security number. Answer. F. 044359862. Number 6. Email address. Answer. C. teacherjoe@worldnet.com.
Listening. Listen and choose the correct answer. 1.
What's your name?
Mary Black.
2.
What's your address?
265 Main Street.
3.
What's your apartment number?
5C.
4.
What's your telephone number?
259-4087.
5.
What's your social security number?
032-89-6179.
6.
What's your email address?
maryb@worldnet.com.
Interview. Spelling names. Listen.
What's your last name?
Kelly.
How do you spell that?
Kelly.
What's your first name?
Sarah.
How do you spell that?
Sarah.
Pronunciation. Linked sounds. Listen, then say it.
My name is Maria. My address is 10 Main Street. My apartment number is 3B.
Say it. Then listen.
My name is David. My address is 9 River Street. My phone number is 941-2238.
End of Chapter 1.
Thanks so much for watching my video. I really appreciate your support. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos.